Live trading, your gateway to the Indian stock market. Hello, aspiring traders. Welcome to the exciting world of live stock market trading. Imagine having the power to buy and sell shares in real time, capitalizing on market movements as they happen. That's the thrill of live trading. Live trading puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. It allows you to react instantly to market news, company announcements, and economic data releases. This dynamic approach can lead to significant profits if you play your cards right. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Live trading requires knowledge, discipline, and a sound understanding of market dynamics. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with the tools and insights to navigate the stock market with confidence. And here's a little secret. I have a special surprise for all those who stick around till the very end. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an exciting adventure into the heart of the Indian stock market. Setting up your trading command center. Before you dive headfirst into the world of live trading, you need the right tools at your disposal. Think of it as setting up your very own trading command center. And at the heart of this center lies your trading platform. For this demonstration, we'll be using Zerodha Kite, a popular and user-friendly platform in India. Don't worry if you're new to this. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply head over to the Zerodha website and follow the straightforward account opening process. Once you're all set up, logging into Kite is as easy as pie. Just enter your user ID, password, and you're in. You'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that displays real-time market data, stock charts, and your portfolio. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout, explore its features, and get comfortable placing orders. Remember, a well-equipped trader is a confident trader. Now that our trading platform is ready, let's move on to understanding the current market trends. Taking the pulse of the market, Nifty 50 and Sensex. Before you jump into trading any stock, it's crucial to understand the overall health of the market. Think of it like checking the weather before stepping out. It helps you dress appropriately for the occasion. In the Indian stock market, the Nifty 50 and the Sensex are our trusty weather vanes. These benchmark indices reflect the performance of the top 50 and 30 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange, respectively. A rising Nifty 50 and Sensex generally indicate a bullish market, where investors are optimistic and buying stocks. Conversely, a falling market suggests bearish sentiment, with investors selling more than they're buying. By keeping a close eye on these indices, you can gauge the overall market direction and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, it's always wise to swim with the current rather than against it. Now that we understand the market sentiment, let's analyze some key stocks. Unmasking the giants. Fundamental analysis of Reliance, Infosys, and HDFC Bank. Reliance Industries, a conglomerate with interests in oil, gas, telecom, and retail, has been on a tear lately. Infosys, an IT behemoth, excels in digital transformation and cloud computing. HDFC Bank, a leading private sector bank, boasts a strong balance sheet and robust digital platform. Examining their financial statements and business models offers insights into their future prospects. Let's move on to technical analysis to understand price movements. Charting your course. Moving averages in action. Technical analysis is all about understanding the language of charts. One of the most popular tools in a technical analyst's arsenal is the moving average. It helps us identify trends and potential buying or selling opportunities. There are two main types of moving averages: simple moving averages, or SMAs, and exponential moving averages, or EMAs. By plotting different moving averages on a chart, we can identify crossovers, which can signal potential trend reversals. But remember, they're not foolproof and should be used in conjunction with other technical indicators. Riding the waves, RSI and momentum trading. Momentum trading is all about riding the waves of market sentiment, buying when a stock is surging higher and selling when it's losing steam. And our trusty sidekick in this endeavor is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. Think of the RSI as a fuel gauge for a stock's price momentum. It oscillates between 0 and 100, with readings above 70 indicating an overbought condition and readings below 30 suggesting an oversold condition. When the RSI surges above 70, it suggests that the stock might be due for a pullback, like a surfer catching their breath after riding a big wave. Conversely, an RSI dip below 30 could signal a buying opportunity, as the stock might be poised for a rebound. However, remember that the RSI is just one indicator, and it's crucial to consider other factors like market trends and company news before making any trading decisions. Now that we understand how to identify overbought and oversold conditions, let's explore how to pinpoint entry and exit points using support and resistance levels. Support and resistance. Finding the trading sweet spot. Imagine a stock's price chart as a battlefield, with bulls and bears constantly vying for control. Support and resistance levels act like invisible barriers on this battlefield, marking the points where the price has historically struggled to break through. Support is like a safety net, a price level where buying pressure tends to outweigh selling pressure, preventing the price from falling further. Resistance, on the other hand, acts like a ceiling, a price level where selling pressure tends to overpower buying pressure, limiting further upward movement. Identifying these support and resistance levels is crucial for traders as they provide potential entry and exit points. For instance, a trader might look to buy near support, anticipating a bounce off this level. Conversely, they might consider selling near resistance, expecting the price to face selling pressure. By understanding these key levels, we can enhance our trading precision and improve our risk management. With a grasp of support and resistance, we're now ready to dive into the exciting part: placing trades. Executing your strategy. Placing trades on Zerodha Kite. Now comes the moment of truth. Placing trades on Zerodha Kite. It's as simple as ordering your favorite food online. Log into your Zerodha Kite account and navigate to the watch list section. Find the stocks we've been analyzing: Reliance Industries, Infosys, and HDFC Bank. Click on Reliance Industries to go to its trading page. Choose between a market or limit order. Enter the number of shares and hit the buy button. Congratulations, you've placed your first trade. Remember to manage your risk effectively. Use stop loss and take profit orders. Live trading in action, real-time examples and analysis. It's time to put our knowledge into practice and witness the excitement of live trading firsthand. Let's analyze the real-time price movements of Reliance Industries, Infosys, and HDFC Bank and explore potential trading opportunities. As we monitor the live charts, we observe that Reliance Industries is approaching a crucial support level. The RSI is also hovering near the oversold territory, suggesting a potential bounce. This could be an opportune moment to enter a long trade, anticipating a rebound in the stock's price. Meanwhile, Infosys has been on an upward trajectory, but the RSI is flashing warning signs of being overbought. The price is also testing a key resistance level. This might be a good time to consider booking profits or tightening stop-loss orders to protect our gains. Remember, live trading requires quick thinking and adaptability. Market conditions can change rapidly, and it's crucial to stay informed and adjust our strategies accordingly. By analyzing real-time data, recognizing patterns, and reacting swiftly, we can navigate the dynamic world of live trading with confidence. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the special surprise. Join the financial revolution. Congratulations on making it to the end of this exhilarating journey into the world of live trading. I hope this essay has empowered you with the knowledge and confidence to take your first steps into the exciting world of the Indian stock market. As promised, I have a special surprise for all you eager learners. For a limited time, I'm offering an exclusive discount on my comprehensive stock market course, where I delve deeper into technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and much more. This course is your one-stop shop to becoming a seasoned trader. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your financial future. Click the link in the description below to subscribe to my channel and learn more about this exclusive offer. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are eager to embark on their own trading journeys. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the market.